Welcome to guys to my new channel. Here we would start from today to record daily podcast where we include in this podcast like failures of ours, है ना? Like the placement season is ongoing and ठीक है. So from today, we will go to the record postcard on daily basis. ठीक है. We will share our experiences. ठीक है. Just like Mohit will share our experiences. Like he failed in at least 5 to 6 companies in college placement, and like he will share their thoughts and like how they reach to the interviewer, how he clear the like aptitude round, technical round, so on. Okay. So before moving to the podcast, I will introduce myself. So my name is Bhaskar Kadara. I am a final year computer science student, and I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Okay. So Mohit will introduce ourselves. So Mohit, carry on, please.
Thank you guys for watching this broadcast. My name is Mohit Kumar Jindal, and I am also final year student at Sandeep University, and I belong to Mehwa, Dausa districts.
So you belongs to Mehwa district. I think it comes under the Dausa district. Yes, right?
Mehwa Dausa district.
Yeah. So like I will approach you to like share your experiences in your first company. So you have to share your first company experience. Like what was your first company first of all, and how you cleared the aptitude round, and how you like failed in interview round. Like what questions were asked from you to the from the HR or to the interviewer. So please share. This going to the first video. Okay guys.
Okay guys, first company which came in our college was Herald Logic, and I applied for both role. One is ASA, it means Associate Solution Analyst, and second role is AP, Application Program Engineer.
Okay.
And I have applied for both, but I have cleared only one aptitude, which name is ASA, any Associate Solution Analyst. And I haven't cleared AP role because I haven't solved a coding question which asks from belongs to DP, which is dynamic programming. It's famous question from our data structure algorithm. And in ASA there are solution analyst questions. If you know about software engineering, then they are SRS models, how documents made, how clients approach to the developer, what are how can he give his requirements to the developers, what are the methods, like interview method hota hai and group discussion method hota hai, like that methods.
So,
and after
sorry for interrupt here. I just like aware to the audience ki like what were the questions in aptitude round in ASE rule. Okay. So basically there was some type of MCQ,
yeah.
And 2 coding question, and that coding question was very medium to high difficult level. So once you like clear that coding round, then you have to like clear the interview round. Okay. In ASA rule, what were the questions pattern?
There are some software engineering like questions, and based on the situation based questions, and you have to make a video of 1 minute, and they give you a situation on which you have to speak for 1 minute, and there are 2 to 3 chances you can take or retake your video. Depending on the chances, they give 3 chances.
So right, you cleared ASA aptitude round, right?
Yeah.
So you like interview held online, right?
Yeah.
So how you were approached?
They give me a schedule that you are available on that date or not, and I have replied that I am available. And after that, they interview myself, and there are 2 persons who take my interview, and it's very quite easy interview because they ask some introduction and some project base and SQL and some Excel questions, etc. But there is little first as it's more first interview, and obviously there is a nervousness so I am not too quite you can say that इतनी अच्छी communication नहीं थी, so I got rejected in that.
So
and I feel very bad.
that was basically Mohit's first interview, which he like gave for the online way, and he didn't clear. Unfortunately, he didn't clear that interview at that time. And after that, the podcast will come regularly, and Mohit will share all of the remains like experience which he didn't clear all the rounds like NAV, NAV and secure meter and like Span Idea and many more companies. So this is the first experience from Mohit.
And I think it was my first interview, which online or offline doesn't matter. But that give me experience how to behave before the interviewer, like how to give the questions from your introduction, how to give your answer based on your projects, because they ask from your insight of the project. Because if you have said anything, then they catch your words of what you have said and ask you from that points. If you are say anything, then they catch that you have copied the project, yeah, you didn't have made the project, or if yes, then they ask you in deeper and deeper until you don't.
Basically, conclusion part is कि whatever you are saying in the interviewer will catch these keywords and will like generate a question on the runtime.
Yeah.
And like resume things is very important. Even like the quote, the Weissman always said कि success has no meaning without failure.
Yeah.
And like from my side, even I didn't clarify any of the aptitude or technical round even, but I will clarify. ठीक है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. And this man, the man, he cleared like most of the things. So
बट ये कि हर इंटरव्यू में आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. जैसे मेरे पहले इंटरव्यू में कोई एक्सपीरियंस मिला कि कैसे अपने आप को और अच्छा बेहतर बनाया जाए, और उसमें अभी कोशिश चल रही है वैसे, और अच्छा बेहतर बनते जा रहे हैं हम.
So guys, this is for this video, and follow for more, subscribe for more, and you can share with your like batchmates and like classmates or friends to like stay on this channel and will follow.
एंड ये भी अच्छा है कि हम अपनी कंपनीज के रिव्यूज दे रहे हैं कि कैसे हमने अप्रोच किया, कैसे हमारे साथ वो हुआ, कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए. तो आपको भी बेटर रहेगा कि आपके पास भी क्या पता ये कंपनी जाती हो और वो आपके रिक्वेस्ट करती है ना आपके कॉलेज में, तो ये आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा.
So thank you for watching.